So you still think a website is optional in 2025? Sorry to say this, but you're handing business to your competitors without even realizing it. While you're still thinking about it, or stuck in planning mode, or maybe perfecting pixels, or even just swamped with work, your competitor is out there getting leads. How they're getting leads, you might ask? Simple answer, their website is live and yours isn't. Something I had to learn a long time ago is done is better than perfect. If you're anything like me, you've got a very specific way you like things being done. That's a strength until it becomes a bottleneck. As business owners, we sometimes have to choose done over perfect because perfect isn't real. It's a mirage, it delays action and it kills momentum. The only way we really progress is by launching, testing, improving, and not waiting around for perfect. Let me explain this with a true story. The one pixel client. We once worked with a client who literally sat at our design team's desk with a ruler. He would hold it up to the screen and say, move that 1 pixel to the left, move that 1 pixel to the right. I kid you not, this went on for months. Sure, he was paying, but from a business perspective, that pixel pushing did nothing for his customers. It wasn't about the customers, it was about his personal preferences. Was it wrong? No. Was it a glorious waste of time? 100%. While he was fiddling and pixel pushing, opportunities were slipping by. So here's a hard truth, and I say this as someone who loves great design. Customers want clarity, not perfection. When it comes to your website, most customers care more about what's on your website than how fancy it looks. They want answers. Do you offer what they need? How much does it cost? What can they expect? And can they trust you? That doesn't mean design doesn't matter, but if you delay for just one more tweak, you're wasting precious time. Added to this, in order to move forward, you've got to delegate. As small business owners, I would imagine you've got enough on your plate. Trying to do it all yourself, especially your website, probably isn't the best use of your time. And you might be thinking, oh, of course you'd say that. You're right, but here's why I say that. A client of ours recently tried building his own website using a very good drag and drop tool. Guess what? He got stuck halfway, wasted a bunch of time, and worst of all, still no website. When he eventually reached out to us, I could tell there was a huge sense of relief. He didn't have to figure it out anymore. Focus on what you do best and let Afridesign handle the rest. We used to be everything to everyone. Big mistake. Now, we focus on small to medium businesses because that's where we believe we can deliver the most impact. We build websites that are fast, professional, affordable, and best of all, no upfront payment, no long-term contracts, and live in as little as 48 hours. We've stripped out the complexity, we've refined what we offer so that you can focus on your inbox, your team, your customers, and not figuring out CSS, responsive design, sliders, SEO, and other big scary technical jargon. Okay, let me address one last possible objection you might have. Your website content. Website content is the bottleneck for so many business owners. That's why we've created a 6-part online content course that helps you understand what you offer, say it clearly, speak directly to your audience, and best of all, it's only roughly about 2 hours. You could finish it in under a week, after dinner. And yes, the first lesson is free. No pressure, no catch. At worst, you've wasted 30 minutes of your life. But hey, you're going to be watching Netflix anyway. So what have you got to lose? So here's the final point. Yeah, I'm trying to get your website business, but that's because I genuinely believe we've built one of the best website design services for small business owners. So stop overthinking it, stop chasing perfect, let's get it done, let's get it live. Let's finally remove website from your to-do list. Use the link in the description to find out more information. Check out our services, see if we're the right fit for your company. Also, have a look at our Google reviews. Don't just take my word for it, see what our customers are saying about our services. Join the thousands of business owners we've helped go from stuck to live. Don't waste another minute and sign up today.